Hello friends, welcome to the Bikerz. I'm Neeraj and we made green camouflage kit for Royal Enfield Classic 350 in the past, but this time we have made another green camouflage which has some different shades in it. So without wasting any time, I'll show the kit to you. So if you want something like this for your motorcycle, you can contact us on this number. And we also have other colors like the green, the orange, the ice cream, the yellow one. And if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. That's it. Ride hard and ride safe. Cheers.